Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand D-latch using NOR gates. First, let's look at the components used in this circuit. We are using one battery, two NOR gates, and one switch. The switch is used to provide the input D. Before we understand the circuit, let's first understand what a D-latch is. A D-latch is a simple memory circuit that stores one bit of data. It can remember the previous value and hold the state. This makes D-latch useful in memory and digital electronic circuits. This circuit is very similar to SR latch. And SR latch, we had two inputs called set and reset. But in D latch, we use only one input called D. The input D is connected directly to one NOR gate. The same input is inverted and applied to the other NOR gate. The same input is inverted and applied to the other NOR gate. Because of this arrangement, the invalid condition that existed in SR latch is removed. This makes the D latch more stable and reliable. Now let's understand how the circuit works. When input D is low, the inverted input becomes high. This makes the output Q low. The circuit stores this value and holds the state. When input D is high, the inverted input becomes low. This makes the output Q high. Again, the circuit stores the value. Now let's look at the truth table. I will also display the truth table on the screen in between the video. When D equals 0, Q equals 0. When D equals 1, Q equals 1. This shows that the output follows the input and stores the value. Now let's observe the circuit operation. When I toggle the switch and make D high, the output becomes high. When I make D low, the output becomes low. The circuit remembers the value and holds the output. This behavior shows that D-latch works like a simple memory element that stores one bit of data. Now look at the waveforms in the simulation. The first waveform is input D. The second waveform is output Q. You can see that whenever input D changes, the output Q follows the input. This confirms that the circuit is working as a D-latch using NOR gates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics explanations.